Hello everyone, welcome to EnglishFlash. My name is Akram Darweesh and today we are studying house rooms. House, okay, and rooms. Every house has different rooms and every room has a name, okay? Very good. Okay, so we have number one, bedroom. Bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. Okay, bedroom is a room where you sleep. You go and you sleep. You can find in a bedroom, you can find bed, a pillow, a blanket, okay, curtains and different things. Okay, very good. Now let's go to number two. Kitchen, 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 kitchen. If you have eggs, meat, okay, and you want to cook, you go to the kitchen, all right? So the kitchen is the place where you cook food, okay? You cook food. Very good. You can find in the kitchen, you can find knife, fork, spoon, okay, containers for food, for different things. Okay, good. The dining room, dining room. It is where you eat food. You eat and drink food, okay? You usually find in the dining room, okay, you can find a table, okay, chairs, all right, and different things. Okay, next, hall. Hall. The hall is the place where you walk in your house. Okay, I have, for example, room here, room. This place, I walk to go here, I walk to go here, I walked here, I walk here. This place, we call it hall. Hall. Very good, guys. Okay, now let's go to the next. Bathroom. Bathroom. Okay, so the bathroom is the place where you find, okay, a bath, a shower, or basin, or sink, basically. Also, you can find different things. The toilet, towel, a lot of shampoo, a lot of things. Okay, good. The last one. Living room. Living room. Living room. Living room is the place where you stay and you watch TV, television. Okay, so you go there and you relax. All right, that's all. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Tell your friends about this channel.